Hi Gina, my name is Christian Renna with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be handed out to multiple agents all paying massive amounts of dollars to get the same leads. So to get started, first of all, I'm glad that you have everywhere on your Facebook that you're a realtor. That's really good. That's a great thing to do, especially when you're a realtor. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't even have anywhere on their Facebook that they are a realtor. So definitely super good there. Congratulations. Now, I do have your website, so we're at GinaSellsOrlando.com. A couple things we're going to talk about. Content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. So Google loves content. Search engines love content. The more you have, the better. The more value you bring to the world and in their eyes. And so the higher and the more visible they're going to make your website be. Especially with real estate websites, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos. What's behind the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth, anchor text. And so one thing to keep in mind, especially with real estate websites, given the fact that there's so many photos, is how the photos are saved. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a website, they're just saved as whatever we came up with at the time or whatever the computer generates. So I went through one of these photos, and one of your photos is saved as like the number one. It's just saved as the number one. Well, if you think about it, like Google's reading that and it's saying the number one, well, there's millions and billions of number one. So it's actually not going to bring any value. So just keep that in mind when you're saving your photos, and make sure you save them the right way so that Google's going to read that content and actually help you rank for specific things. So that's it for content. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those directories are going to give you citations. The more you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Orlando Realtors. All right, we got Orlando Regional Realtor Association. We have Orlando Realty and Property Management. We have White Chart Realtors, Hallmark Property Southwest. Okay, so I didn't see Gina Francis, and I also didn't see Coldwell Banker, which is where I believe you are out of. Coldwell Banker Residential Realty. So this is where you want to be. I also didn't see your website here on the first page. So Gina Sells Orlando should be here on the first page. That's where you'd want it to be, but it's not. So a lot of that has to do with content and your backlinks. But also, more importantly, I don't know if you own the brokerage or if you are just a team lead or just a single agent in that brokerage, or how high you want to expand, how far you want to go. But it looks like the Coldwell Banker isn't even on this first page at all in the map pack. So not sure how much good that's actually bringing you. But as you can see, we got Brigida Lopez, we have Kathy Williams, Audrey Bustamante. So the point is, you can have your own Google My Business page. I don't think you do have one, and if you do, I apologize, I couldn't find it. If I can't find it, the client can't find it. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to use Kathy Williams Realtor and her Google My Business page. So first of all, get yourself one. Second of all, when you get one, there's a couple things you're going to want to do. First of all, reviews. Everybody knows the importance of reviews. She has 5. You're going to want 25. So obviously, reviews come with time, but we recommend minimum 25 reviews, but obviously you just want to have more than your competitors. So 6 would be just good to start out. But 25 is that magic number. And then photos. So a lot of people don't know this, but how your photos are saved matters, and the number of them, the quantity. So basically, this photo, the drive-by Google My Business drive-by photo, this one doesn't count. Looks like Kathy has a video here. So we actually recommend 10 photos. So when you get your Google My Business page, you're going to want to upload 10 photos to it. And then again, make sure you save them the right way because Google reads it and it's going to help you rank. So that, along with a couple more reviews in Kathy and a citation pack, you're well on your way to being in that first page of Orlando Realtors Google My Business. So get yourself one. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your business domain is at. So anywhere that GinaSellsOrlando.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And so you guys have actually only 14 backlinks from 7 referring domains. And as you can see here, your domain rating is a 7 out of 100. So you can think of your domain rating as like power. And the more power you have, the more visible your website's going to become to the public. And so the thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you're getting your backlinks from sites that are relevant and sites that are not spammy. So that's very important. Do your homework and get yourself some valuable backlinks. One benefit to having only 14 backlinks is that you don't have thousands to go through and remove. So when you get them, as you get them, some backlinks are free, some backlinks you pay for. Just make sure you get good ones that are going to bring you the most value and power. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website and into your business to bring you some more revenue and leads. And so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching.